How to log in to Paycom Employee Portal. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily log into Paycom Employee Portal. First off, go ahead and open up your web browser and search for Paycom Employee Login. Go to the first link, paycom.com, for employee self-service. Now select which account you want to log into, whether you're a client, employee, or an accountant. I'll just select the second option, employee, and you'll be taken directly over to the login page from here for employee login. Wait for it to load. On this field, provide your username and then your password. You could also enter your last four digits of your social security number as well as your PIN. Now, once that is done, to view your password, tap on this I button to reveal it. And if you forgot your username, tap on Forgot Username. You'll be able to recover it in no time with your email verification. You could do the same thing for your password as well. If you forgot it, tap on Forgot Password page, provide username, your social security number, and your date of birth. Tap on Next, and you should be able to recover it in no time. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.